TMC TV news crew carry waka go ROCC for Benin Sapele Road for Benin City to do check on top the road matter for the area. We can see say businesses for that area no dey move and some people don't sell their properties sake of the bad road and heavy flooding for the area. As we continue our waka, we can see say them don dey work for one side of the road and a Levante construction company dey in charge for construction for the road. One worker wey talk to TMC TV Tori people come talk say the reason why the work slow na because the federal government never give them money. We can still carry waka go Benin Sapele Road bypass where be federal government road where they lead to Delta State, Bayelsa State, River State and other states for South and Southeast where it comes to lead to communities inside Benin like Ologbo, Obaetin, Obayato and plenty other communities when they help reduce the population for the city. We can see say Benin Sapele Road bypass they for very bad condition and they make better hold up no they finish for the road. The bad road don't make them hard for residents, drivers, workers, travelers and traders when they follow the road and if they make trailer even fall for the road, they make the matter the worse. Edo State government don't try many times to do palliative measure for the road to help the people manage the road, but they work, sake of the road they go back as it be before after heavy rain. My people, my name na Omo Aluki Ajakaye and this na TMC TV News. And as you know, TMC TV News, we bring you news when it contain mama, papa, sister, brother, everybody to make sure say Nigeria dey better. As you see now, we don't turn down for Sapele Road bypass to check out the road matter before here. And as you see, so the road there, na eyesore. Now Oyibo they call no-go area. You see, say trailer don't hold up. Moto don't hold up. Tuke don't hold up. Papa and mama don't hold up. Everybody now, they use leg. So we come here to ask the drivers how they take the manage for this road. To ask the passengers how they take the manage because you don't see say the bus now they drop them from one place. Community they inside. You will carry bike, go inside. People when they say for here, una business they move. My name now Omo Aluki Ajakaye and this na TMC TV News. Make una join us.
The road not really good, sha. It destroy our motor badly, not be small. If you even enter inside now, before we come out again, it go reach many hours before we come out. That's why we not just, if we just come, we just take one way, pass here, come reverse for here, go back again. You see me for here now. We dey look for passenger. We not see passenger too because of the bad road. It is spoil our motor well. Our down lake, our tie rod, all of them. It is spoil because of the gallop we dey pass. They don't have patience. When they have patience, before you know it doesn't spoil again. Even this side, they never even take away the patch this side. It doesn't give the pop road again. If you all look and see everywhere, it's also big trailer. Without the zero pass.
I want to go and take the other way through bypass. It's very bad now. I didn't know the kind of government we have in this Nigeria. Just look at this road. Far back 5 years ago, this road was not like that. They should come and do something to it. You understand me? They should come and do something. The road is very bad.
This is the third time they are doing this road for just inside 3 months. Obaseki came here to promise us a good thing. Yet, where we dey now, we dey oga. What did they happen for this road? Federal government not be federal government, state government not be state government. Now so we go the day. It's not good though. They should come and help us out. Just within 3 weeks now, they just came to put rubbish that they are put all this red sand and just go. State government, look at what is happening here now. Nobody is moving. Nobody is walking. The road are destroying vehicles a lot. So it's very wrong for them.
No customer no dey enter again. No where motor dey park. You know say another one don break. Yesterday, the men some one motor some may die. No road, they don't do anyone. We know where to park now. We know where customer won't pass enter. And when they back there, they make call repair and work for us now. Because now here we find daily food. And make they do and work for us. Now we beg.
Since last 2 years, now they don't do this road, they do one. The one way they do for ROCC, they just patch. If you go there now where they say they don't do, they never see finish. They run, leave that one. They come this side, they do. They'll run from here, they'll still go another place, go do. The truth of the matter be say the people they do the road, so they're confused. Whether money not government not give them money, they take do or they don't know where they want to start. We don't know. As you can see everywhere, now so poto. Every day now with the repair motor, transport don't increase. no fuel, no diesel, even food sef. Road bad, diesel not dey. If good road dey, we know say na only diesel we dey battle. But now no road, no diesel.
This road e not good again. So I know for third now. You see, and I decide passenger here. No way to go now. My passenger now, I give the money to enter back again. So all this kind of thing is not good. When I tell our governor, make amend the road way for us to pass.
So they're very bad, though, very bad. The government is not helping us at all. We are suffering on this road. And the worst part now, the revenue where they collect from our hand for the road there, 1,800 every day on this bad road. So the thing is very, very bad, and it's affecting our vehicle. Now every day they go workshop, every day, and the vehicle pass now they're very costly on high side. Everything about motor now they very, very costly. If we increase the price, the passengers they complain because money no deal like that. Everybody's just managing. So we see they help ourselves one kind, but the road make government try make they do something about the road.
Money when we take the entire motor, it don't tire us, and the road no good. One certain time when they lock this road, Elbaseki say na so you come help us. The other one say na so you come help us. No one will see. As it be so now, na suffer everybody dey. To go outside to come back now, money when you take chop, you take and enter motor. From Satana to here now 400 naira. From there to third 500. So now we dey. So we dey beg them. As they say they want enter post now. Edo State nowhere they let person dey pass. Make them help us because Edo people they help them. If they want elect, they want do election, Edo people go there inside some. They go want make everywhere good, make our president good. But if they don't enter, they not they care for anything. We don't tire for this suffer. Food we not dey fit buy. Motor we not dey fit enter. Make who get children not come go there run leave their children. Husband go say he don't tire. So make them help us. Everything too dear. Sometimes we go sell, sometimes we not go sell. Everybody go still go. Waiting we see we go manage am. So make we dey beg government. Who say you want enter post? We not say make them no enter post. So far make them know the right thing to do for Edo State because Edo don't tire. When they take strong go follow them. After they don't enter post, they will not care. Whether poor man they die, whether poor man they roast, they not know it. Not be so. So we take God Almighty, the God of heaven and earth, take beg them. Make them know what they're supposed to do for Edo State.
They say they do one, but this one not be road. They're not doing it here. Because if they look the road, they only the center now. What they say they do? If they look the center now, you see say the road now. You don't go don't day for the road. Man, nothing they happen here. They don't do anything here. From my experience, if they want to do road, not so they tell they do road. If they do road now, people will not say they do road. See poto see everywhere just cast. Road no there, they don't do anything here. They don't do anything here. Now manage, now people they work out here, poto everywhere. So you know just every day, there's so confusion. Go slow every day go slow. Hold up every day. See, don't not be say after nothing, no, they don't do anything here. For my experience, they don't do anything here. But now we there and I mean they see everything they happen, they don't do road.
In general, it affects the business because when people don't see the road to pass to where they are going, I don't think if you don't have access road, you can't move around to get what you want. That is the thing. But if you know this road for past few months now, they have done something somehow better than. But they still need to do more because the road is not wide. Hadn't been the road is wide now, it will be accommodating, contain more vehicles. And they hear that they're supposed to fail. Just look at the edges there for the all this bike to be passing. They didn't do it. So it's affecting us seriously. Since morning, as we are seeing it now, it's even better than how it was in the morning. And if you come here in the evening, in fact, you will spend more than 5 hours to get to that junction.
The road there, no, now right off now. We know say they can't do some pollution measure that day. If you look front now, if you go from there, I think go show you the concrete. I mean the granite will come out for the road where they can't do whenever it's 2 weeks. That one I just right off. Because the stage where they go for the road now, you don pass be careful when person dey comot for house you go dey fear you dey come house you dey fear no be for under that thing how I wan take reach there how I wan take come back na be the fear the road since now una the time una even take on now e don dey move small small e block since e take the effort of who wey be say be youth for this area to come out to come dey control the road make people fit pass come create some lane maybe if you see people dey come from this side now the boy dey come the other side because the road no good come create one lane for them for the other side for ground there where they follow so that one fit dey go up if not the road will just choke up since. oga we put canopy here the people dey cook dey play ball for road all the effort na just to be to do everybody bad to draw the attention of the government state government local government and even the federal government before the state government come do some palliative measure if you just look am na look the concrete na look at this place if you carry your camera face that place no be say people wey dey do am o see am the granite don come out the granite don already come out that is say the road na total failure every failure na e be so when we go dey now for the next 3 to 4 months we go hard because throughout this rainy season we are going to suffer this issue here.
My people will sit tanda for Sapele Road bypass. We don't talk to passengers, we don't talk to drivers, we don't talk to traders, kpakpa. And I want all of them, they talk. They call the government, make they come repair the road. Drivers say the road too hard. Drivers say the road too bad. The price of diesel don't increase for market. Say they no feel who enter the road again. Say they go stop for bypass. Say cause say make their motor no spoil. Motor pass things for market don't increase. Passengers talk say the price when they say they enter before don't increase. Even traders when they sell for the road don't even complain for the price matter. And one thing about this road man we see so they lead to Delta, they lead to Port Harcourt, they lead to Bayelsa, they lead to Calabar sef, even some parts of Southeast they pass this road they go. And this road na federal government road. And we even come here say 3 weeks ago, state government come this road, come do wetin be palliative so that people fit dey manage the road. But as e be so, the management don clean. Flood don clean everything. Flood for 2 days ago, 3 days ago, still dey for this road. So the people they call on government may come help them. May come help them solve the problem of the road matter. May everywhere for go where. May business for Sapele Road bypass boom. My name na Omo Aluki Ajakaye and this na CTMC TV News.